All right, so if you're freelancing and still doing everything manually, proposals, client messages, research, yeah, that can slow you down a lot. In this video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI to automate your freelancing workflow step by step. First, quick idea. You can automate proposals, client communication, research, and even content delivery. Start with proposals. This saves a huge amount of time. Prompt: write a professional freelance proposal for a client in a specific niche, highlighting my skills and value. Next, automate your client replies. Prompt: generate friendly and professional responses for common client questions and updates. Before starting any project, use Grok for research. Prompt: research this project topic and summarize key insights and requirements. You can also automate actual work like writing, coding, or content creation. Prompt: complete this task based on client requirements with high quality output. Now, connect everything into a workflow from proposal to research to delivery, all powered by Grok. Save your best prompts so you can reuse them for every client. Here's the pro move: refine everything. Improve proposals, responses, and outputs step by step. Once automated, you can handle more clients without extra workload. So yeah, using Grok like this turns your freelancing into a system, not just manual work. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI freelancing guides coming soon.